craving that I have now is for a red. The craving is real.
This is the first time, listeners and viewers, that this has been admitted publicly. The craving's real.
I would rather wait and spend more and get that bit of kit.
You can get the Komodo. I believe they're about £6,000. Might be a bit less.
Sounds about right.
Our friend Mark Holtz recently bought one and does nothing but rave about it, which is annoying.
Yeah, that's very annoying.
Just rubbing it in.
Have you thought about unfollowing?
I thought about blocking his texts.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6,000. That's a hell of a lot of camera for the money as well.
It's a weapon, isn't it? I do like it.
Well, that's funny because that's what one of their cameras was called.
Oh, really? Yeah.
It is a weapon.
I just, if you haven't seen anything of it, just YouTube showreel, showreel, and see what people have put up. It is insane. I mean, there's loads of really good cameras. That's obviously the problem and why you're listening to this. But Panasonic have some excellent gear right now.
Yeah,
you could pick up, as you said, the S1H, S1, but also with Blackmagic.
Yeah, they're always undercutting everyone and always great.
Yeah. So depends how cinematic you want to get, but obviously kicking ass right now is Red, and they've been leading for quite a while in a different type of way to the big boys like Canon.
Yeah, they've been paddling their own. They kind of made their own part of the market and just went with it.
And they're a very cool company.
Yeah,
in how they engage, they're very cool. And if you've ever seen the owner of the company on social media, he'll work with content creators.
Yeah,
he's really cool with like doing factory tours and stuff like that. Obviously, it's not something we'd be into because it's so far away.
It's Hollywood, isn't it?
But how cool is that?
Well, it's only a plane journey.
If you're listening. Are into.
If you're listening, yeah.
Obviously you follow the show.
Oh, they're big followers of us, definitely.
And we would just like to say we would accept the offer.
I would consider it.
Credit card.
Depends on their company credit card.
If that's available, then we'll take that.
The other thing with something like the Komodo,
I could double it up, and obviously I wouldn't tell the missus, but we could get married and do it all on Red's company card.
Me and you get married?
I'd marry her over you.
Oh, right,
but you would be my next choice. If
that's good to know, yeah.
Because I'm open to that as well. That's
fine.
I appreciate we've probably got gay following.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's fine. I welcome that.
Yeah, and you want to marry me
I'm all about the rainbow.
Whilst we're out in California.
I would, if that was a condition of getting a Red camera.
Okay, so you heard it here first. If you're listening, for anyone who works remotely near Red, if you invite us to Hollywood, we have to get married, which is disturbing.
I'm not really into the...
The other thing I was going to say with cameras like the Red Komodo, as a production company, if you're working commercially,
right,
you suddenly take a leap into a different category. If you know how to use that camera, if you spent time getting the best out of it, you command a different kind of fee, almost, respect. You attract a different type of agency that's going to hire you for production of adverts over someone turning up with a C100 or a DSLR.
Yeah, yeah.
You're a video production company. Once you take a step up, you become something else.
Yeah,
it's
that's
like
true.
The next level.
There's a bit of that snobbery going on.
Yeah, snobbery. Netflix are really good for, obviously not in the commercial world, but in the production of shows. Netflix have got a snobbery, as in it's not a Netflix approved camera. You can't have your footage shot with it. So it exists. Although you can get Netflix approved cameras that are cheaper, as we